สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, I'm Oath Thai in the United States. I purchased curtain pleated for my kitchen. It is the spade at the door size. I guess it was the door here and my husband took away before I moved with him. And I look again.I didn't see the hole, that thing that the door can insert in and stay there. Anyway, it's not important. I have a curtain to block the light because my husband isn't happy. When I cook, I turn on the light in the kitchen and the light come through the TV area, the living room, as you see.We live in a small house, open for plan. He would like to stay in the dark when watching TV. And then he asked me to put the curtain on. The curtain I have for many years. At that time when I purchased it, I didn't know what I'm gonna do with it. I just like the fabric silk and I like the price. I remember it was discount. Then I took it and then I can use for this. Now today I would like to change as the condition is very bad, rotten. And then I think about the divider at my sister's house in Thailand. She has a pleated floated divider.And then I found this on eBay, but I didn't read carefully. In fact, I read, but I didn't look carefully and didn't think carefully. It is a soft fabric, by the way. It's fine. The price I got is the best one. Other seller set up the price higher than what I get, like $40, $50. I got the $29, $34, I guess. There are 3 sizes, the length 63, 84, and 95 inches. I picked 84 inches. Installation, not difficult at all. At the end, I am happy. Just only when I put the magnet on the wall, I did not measure exactly. I thought about my husband. If he set this up, he would measure everything. I remember when I assembled the shelf, it was wobbling. And he said, "Did you level?" No, I didn't level anything. I don't know how. I just put piece together and done. And he said, "No.You must level it." This is the reason why I said if my husband set it up, he must measure exactly every single magnet for both sides. Gonna be the same level. Anyway, it is a good choice for me right now.Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.